I'll start with organizational model. Very basic question. Any idea? Hussain, Yoga?
To have a structure created
Okay.
so as to get approvals, like necessary approvals.
Uh-huh. And Hussain?
Yeah, according to me, it's like we're creating an org structure and
Uh-huh.
assigning positions for the different zones. And again,
Uh-huh.
based on that position, again, we are assigning the user IDs, logins for individual employees.
Okay.
And
Uh-huh.
in this case, we can, assign different departments for different zones, regions, territories. So this is the reason we create
Uh-huh.
org model.
Okay. Okay. Uh, Up to some extent is correct. Means one thing is uh, we customize org model because each employee of the organization belongs to some particular org unit.
Hmm.
Okay, that is one thing. Second thing, whenever you create any business transaction, suppose you are creating sales order, so that sales order or a quotation, that business document will belongs to some particular org unit. So sale will count to that org unit. If we don't have any org model, how the system will know that document is created by Bangalore office or document is created by Chennai office?
Okay.
And when you open any business transaction, I'll show you. Go to CRMD underscore order, press enter. So that's why we customize org model. If you go to business transaction, create, open any, suppose I'm opening quotation.
Okay.
Arun, Arun,
Uh, yes, Shashank, good morning.
yeah, good morning. Arun, here is Yoga, and one more fellow is from outside India, that is Hussain.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, Arun.
So,
Good morning, Yoga. I'm sorry, good evening back in
Aaron.
the United States.
no, Yoga is from Bangalore. Hussain is from
Oh, Yoga. Okay, you guys from Bangalore.
Gulf.
Bangalore. Okay.
Yeah.
Good morning, Yoga.
Hey, Aaron. Good morning.
So, Arun, today we are
Hussein, good
discussing
evening.
some interview questions. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not doing any customizing today because there is one girl, Ria, she has not joined today. So
Okay.
you have already covered those topic. Okay.
I have.
We'll
Okay.
discuss
Fantastic.
from org model, product, and DP.
Okay.
Okay, these things you know.
Yes.
You have missed two topics, transaction
In
processing
product,
and
I haven't covered territory as of yet.
territory. I will finish. Don't worry. That is a small topic
Okay.
that I'll cover for you separately. So from tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll start some new topic.
Mm-hmm.
So you can join those things, and whatever you have missed, like transaction processing, you have missed, and web UI customizing. These are the two
Yes.
major things. Okay.
Okay.
So those things I will cover separately.
Sounds good.
Might be in weekend class or in this
Mm-hmm.
or after this session means. Let me finish marketing and service, then I'll finish transaction processing and other things for you.
Sure. Just keep me posted. I can join accordingly.
Sure.
Yeah.
Just now I have started.
Okay.
I was asking one question: why do we customize org model in CRM? So first thing, each employee of the uh, organization belongs to some particular org unit. So whenever we enter that employee, system connect that employee with the org model. And in this, if you open any business transaction, like quotation, if you open and if you go to organization tab, there you will get those options. Means we will link this quotation with the organizational unit. Means how the system will know the quotation is created by Bangalore office or the quotation is created by Delhi office, because CRM will be the centralized system. Server will be located somewhere, and all employees will be operating the CRM from different location. So we have to enter organizational unit in this tab. So system will come to know, yeah, this quotation is created by Bangalore office. So sale will count to that particular office. So that's why we customize org model in CRM system. What are the functions of org model? Any idea? Okay, I'll show you. If you go to org model, open any org model. Anyone. Simply I'm opening HUL India. Go to function tab. You will get three functions: sales, service, and marketing.
Okay, these are the functions.
Got it?
Yeah.
Sales, service, and marketing. Third thing, or what is Tell me. Any idea from where I'm asking this question?
I think it's the same option, right? Below the functions, you have the org theory option.
Exactly. Yeah.
Is it
Yeah,
correct?
correct, correct.
But I don't know how to explain that session.
Hi. When you check this mark,
Yeah.
it will ask for R3 sales org. So map it, open it, and
Yeah.
you will get your R3 sales org and map it. We don't have any R3, so it will not show anything. But in the real time, we have to map it here.
Like how do
Same
we?
thing.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, tell me.
No, how do we, put this answer across to this question?
Just I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Arun, you can switch on your recording also.
I've already turned it on.
Okay, okay, okay. Hmm. So what I'm telling, when if they are asking how to map CRM sales org with R3 sales organization, you
Hmm.
have to tell them go to org model with PPOMA underscore CRM, then select function tab and check the sales organization checkbox, then choose R3 sales organization from the input help.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And same thing is what is corresponding sales organization in R3, you can tell them R3 sales organization. What is corresponding sales office? R3 sales office. What is corresponding sales group? R3 sales group. One important thing is here, if you go to service, we have only one thing. So on
Okay.
that thing also they can ask what is corresponding service organization is R3. So you have to tell them R3 maintenance planning plant.
Service organization in R3.
Yeah, in service we have only one maintenance planning plant, and there is no service group or something like that. In marketing, we don't have any other option.
Okay.
Okay. Next thing, where do we assign business role in an org model?
So it will be confusing. Where do we assign? So yeah, it's like a
We
business
can
role.
assign business role to a position.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Remember, I have chosen the CEO. Then I went to go
Yeah.
to then set detail object.
Yes.
So we can assign business role to a position.
Business role to
And
position.
if you open CR100, you will get this standard line also. We can assign business role to a position in our org model.
Okay.
Next question. Can we assign multiple role
Yes.
to a
Yes.
position?
Yes. He can be an employee and he
Yeah.
can be a user also.
Uh, no, I'm asking, can we assign multiple role?
Business role. Is
Sorry. Tell me this thing.
like what type of role is it, Shashank? Business role or
Role means business role.
okay.
Yes. The answer is yes.
Multiple business role to your position.
Look, there is one position, suppose CEO, and we can assign multiple role like sales pro, marketing pro, and service pro to him. And write it on business role. I told I told you about this process also, if you remember. If you go to SU01, we have created Hussain, we have created, I remember.
It's under the tab of roles, right? You're speaking about?
Correct.
Yeah, got it.
So when you log in with Hussain username, you can view multiple business role. So we can assign. If Hussain is the suppose CEO of the company, so we are assigning him multiple business role. So through PFCG we can assign. You have to tell them the right answer. We went to role.
To PFCG.
Here you can assign multiple.
Yep.
Role means they are talking about PFCG role. Arun, you don't know this thing, PFCG. That I will cover in the web UI customizing. Okay.
Sure.
So
Yeah.
role means PFCG role. Here we can assign multiple roles. You can give sales pro role, but sales pro role means sales pro PFCG role ID. You can give marketing PFCG role ID. So when you log in with Hussain, then you can see.
Yeah.
One more question, quite similar to previous one. Can we create multiple position at same level?
Yes.
Any idea?
Yes.
Okay.
Because last time you have created, I believe, for Sansum India, you created the CEO as well as VP.
Correct. We can create.
Okay.
And if you guys are showing some project in your profile, so they can ask some real-time questions also, like what is your, it is for you, Yoga, because you will show some projects. So
Yeah.
what is your org model structure? So you have to tell them some dummy structure they are not going to check,
Okay.
but you have to tell them something. That's up and first and that depends upon your project, what project you are showing in your profile. So you have to answer accordingly.
Yeah.
How should we answer this, Shashank? Is it like we do some thing on the system, or it's like on
Look,
paper?
no. Look, suppose you are showing project of Ford Motors. So you have to tell them according to Ford Motors. Look, we have worked for some electronics company. We have shown we did some product hierarchy and category for electronics company.
Yeah.
So if they are asking something related, or you are showing project of Ford Motors in your profile, so you cannot tell them that you have created attribute size, color, and all those things. So you have to tell them according to your project. Same thing applies on org model also. They are not going to check, but we have to tell them some relevant answer. So how we'll get all those things? Simply go to Google, type Ford Motors. You will get their locations. What are the locations they have? So we can create some dummy org model. So we can tell them those answers. So we have one Ford Motors Global, then Ford Motor Global divided into different regions like Asia Pacific, Africa, and US. Something we can tell. So these kind of things we have to explain them. If you are showing domestic project, so we can tell them that uh, on the top we have Ford India, then Ford India divided into four zones. Then they have divided their business into regions. Each regions they have multiple territories. Something like that we have to tell them.
Okay.
Got it, Yoga?
Jack.
And this is for you, Arun, also.
Yes.
Yeah. So these kind of answer you have to tell them. Next question they can ask. How many employees are assigned to our model?
Many to one.
You can tell them some number also. Again, that depends upon your org model size, and you depend upon project size. You can tell them we have assigned around 400 employees to our model.
This is totally based on the project that we're going to show them, right?
Yeah, correct. What else we can take? How to transfer org model or enterprise structure. Just I'm writing this question that I'll cover at the time of middleware. Okay, that is a different process to transfer this. So that I will cover at the time of middleware. Now, so these kind of question they can ask. Yes, they can ask so many questions, but these that is a kind of some demo sort of question. Product. Very basic question. How many types of product are there in SAP CRM? Any guess? Any idea?
Not from my side.
6 types: material, service, financing, warranty, IP, and financial service. Remember?
Yeah.
Correct. If you are showing project, so they can ask.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you can tell them, again that depends upon your project. You can tell them we are working on material. Can we customize more product type?
I guess no.
Yeah, because these are the some standard product type which is already there, so we cannot customize more. How many products do you have? How many product do you have means how many product do you have in your projects, means they are asking from your project. Again that depends upon your project. If you are showing some FMCG, so easily you can tell we have more than 3000 products. How many attributes you have created? Simply you cannot tell I have created size, color, dimension and all those things. It depends upon your project, it depends upon your product, what product you have created, so that attribute will be based on that.
So the
And
answer to
that,
this would be
so suppose if you are showing some electronics company project, so you can tell them that I have created uh, a size attribute, I have created color, I have created dimension, I have created this resolution, these kind of thing. So that's why I'm saying that depends upon your project. So if you are showing FMCG project, so again attributes will get changed, so you have to tell them according to your project. At that time you cannot answer general things. Even when, if you are showing some project in your exam, in your CV, suppose they have asked one question, set type and an attribute and how to customize it. Okay, so suppose you don't know the definition, and if you are telling this answer, so you have to tell this answer with the example, and you cannot use any journal example. You have to relate this example with your project. Whatever the answer you are giving, just relate that answer with your project. Suppose they're asking how many hierarchies you have customized. Again, you have to tell this hierarchy thing and according to your project. And for Hussein, as you will show as SAP CRM fresher, they can ask direct question. What do you mean by hierarchy? Uh, can you explain the concept of hierarchy and how to customize hierarchy?
Okay.
What do you mean by attribute? How to customize it? Direct question they will ask.
Okay.
Clear, Yoga and Arun?
Yes.
Yes.
So simple question. How to create product? Any idea?
Product in the sense is the same one. Uh,
Yeah.
for like in a product hierarchy.
No, that is a hierarchy we create. So there is one method where we create a product. Like last time we have created 21-inch LCD,
Yeah, that's what.
3D TV, something. So that thing.
It has to be under the T code
01.
Yeah, correct.
COM PR01,
Yeah,
and depending on which type of product you're going to create, you need to click that. Maybe material,
correct.
then select material.
Yeah, correct. Any idea?
Active.
Again, there is one T code,
Yeah, yeah.
COMMPR02,
02.
and we cannot use inactive product. If the product is inactive, we cannot use. That will be there in the database, but we cannot use in our business process, in our business transaction.
Can we use you? Okay, you have typed as you, so
But however, we can activate and inactivate product, right?
Yeah, we can activate. We can activate, then we can use. But inactive product we cannot use.
can you just do the spelling check, Shashank?
Sorry?
Can we use? There is a spelling mistake.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. Business person, no.
Give me the T code again, Shashank.
You want T code? This is the T code.
Chief product.
Any idea?
Link product with the org model. We need to assign the employee ID, right?
Sorry?
We need to assign the username and employee ID, which we have assigned in org model in the product
No,
link,
no, no. No.
or to link product with the org model.
Shashank, from question 11 onwards, you have to cover for me. Right from
This thing
archive.
you know.
No, archive, I wasn't there. The last thing that I've done was
Uh-huh.
the active and inactive products. That's about it.
That was the last topic only. I'll show you.
That's the last topic I have done. So
That
after
was the
that,
last topic of product also.
no. We created product and we were discussing about active and inactive during the class session.
Correct.
So I was only
I'll
in
show you. I'm
creating a
just going
product.
to show you.
Yeah,
I'm
sure.
just showing you. Click material. Look, then we do some practice and you should be familiar with the screen also. You don't know from which screen they can ask the question. So not from all screen, but they can ask the question. I'll show you. Click continue. You know those things I told you. To archive, just simply check it. Got it? And if you put lock, product will be there in the database, but we cannot use that product. So we can lock the product also. It will show product is non-orderable if you lock it.
Okay.
Okay. That's why I said that you know those answer. And go to sales and distribution tab. And link your product with the org model. Click assign and link it. Choose higher, suppose south. Got it? And link it. Each product belongs to some particular org unit. So link here, it is showing distribution channel and all those things. So you can do like that.
I think you have not shown us this, Shashank. Yoga?
Okay, I have not covered this thing.
No, I don't think.
Covered actually. Yeah, I
I
agree with
told you
you.
that
It's
here you
covered?
can assign sales and distribution.
Okay, okay. Okay, let me
Okay, so
check the video. Yeah,
this thing we can do.
okay.
Yeah.
Can you do that once again for me, Shashank?
Just a minute. I went to assign. I was in sales and distribution tab and click assign button and choose it. Whatever you want to assign.
Okay,
And
org
if you want to
model with
delete, you
the
can delete.
org model with the business role. Okay, assigning business role in org model. Sorry, assigning org model in business
No,
role.
this is not a business role. We are assigning uh,
Product.
distribution channel and or unit to a product.
To a product. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Org unit.
So these kind of question they can ask. So you want this notepad?
Yes, sure.
Sure.
Shank, if you have any more this type of question and answers,
I have.
you can just forward us,
I have some standard questions also.
yeah, with the answers and all the stuff.
I think all answer you will not get. You have to Google it out.
Okay.
So, it's already 8 o'clock. We'll meet tomorrow at same time.
Sure.
Okay. And revise this question once again and read it.
Yeah.
And just open, means suppose you are revising this one, org model.
Mm.
So C means what are the important buttons in that org model. So they can ask question from that. What are the important tabs and all those things. Open product and see all tabs. So these kind of thing they can ask. You should not be familiar with all buttons, but the buttons which are very important, that the concept should be clear in your mind.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
Okay, we'll meet tomorrow at same time.
Okay,
And
then.
that is 7 a.m., right?
7 a.m. And might be Arun, I'll do pending part of web UI customizing. So
Okay.
if you want to join, you can join, or else you can skip tomorrow session. You can join from Wednesday.
Sounds good. No problem.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
Okay, then. Bye, everybody. Bye,
Bye.
Yoga.
Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye. Bye.